Hello and welcome to Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ-900 training series. Today, we are diving into our first learning path, an essential foundation of modern IT, the cloud computing. We will explore what cloud computing is, delve into different cloud models, and understand the differences between capital and operational costing. Then, we will end our module with some questions to validate our knowledge and prepare for the exam questions. My name is Bilel Marwan. I'm Cloud Technical Architect and Microsoft Certified Trainer. So, grab a comfy seat and let's start. What exactly is the cloud computing? It's a term we hear everywhere these days. At its core, cloud computing is the delivery of cloud computing services like servers, storage, databases, networking, software analytics, and intelligence over the internet or the cloud to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. But what does that mean for you? Think of cloud computing as renting rather than buying, just like how you might rent a car instead of buying one. Imagine developing a new app. Traditionally, you need to invest in physical servers, manage infrastructure, and handle maintenance. With cloud computing, you can rent what you need from a cloud provider like Microsoft Azure. This means you can focus on what matters for you, creating a great app without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. In other terms, the cloud is someone else's data center that you access and consume remotely over the internet without any upfront cost on demand to help you reduce your time to market. Now that we have understand the basics, let's talk about the cloud modules that are primarily three models we will focus on: the public cloud, the private, and hybrid cloud. First, the public cloud. Here, resources are owned and operated by a third party, delivered over the internet, and shared among multiple organizations. Azure is a public cloud service provider, offering incredible scale and a broad range of services. However, the private cloud is dedicated resources for a single organization. Basically, this is your own private data center. This is typically managed on premises through specific vendors offering enhanced security and control. In the contrast to the public cloud, you have to manage the infrastructure from computing, cooling, connectivity, maintenance, and everything. So you are responsible for everything you provide. On the other hand, hybrid cloud combines public and private clouds, allowing data and applications to be shared. A retail business might use a private cloud for sensitive customer data while leveraging a public cloud for managing e commerce applications. Imagine a financial institution handling sensitive data. They might use a private cloud to ensure data security, but during tax season, they might leverage Azure's public cloud to handle spikes in online transactions. Next, let's discuss the financial aspects: capital expenditure versus operational expenditure, known as CapEx and OpEx. So, for CapEx is an upfront cost for the purchase of physical assets like servers and data centers. It requires significant investment and involves long-term depreciation. Think of CapEx like you are buying a car. You pay for everything upfront and you have complete control. However, with cloud computing, you shift to an OpEx model. You pay for services as you go, and you will hear often the term pay as you go, a bit like paying a utility bill. This model offers flexibility and convenience, adapting your consumption needs. Think of OpEx like renting a car. But why does this matter? Shifting from CapEx to OpEx has significant business implications. It lowers the barrier to entry, allowing organizations of all sizes to access powerful computing resources without heavy initial investments. And then you will pay only for services that you consume. Here is a use case: a company planning to launch a new product is uncertain about the market's response. By opting for OpEx through Azure's cloud services, they avoid large CapEx, reduce financial risk, and can easily scale resources in response to demand. Now let's sum up what we have learned. So, the cloud computing, as you have seen, is a transformative approach that offers flexibility, scalability, and cost savings. Understanding the different cloud modules, the public, private, and hybrid model, will help you choose the right strategy for your needs. Then, the differences between CapEx and OpEx will empower you to make smarter financial decisions in your IT investment. Now, let's validate our knowledge by answering some questions from Microsoft Learning Center. So let's switch to the Microsoft Learn, and for this module, the first question will be, what is the cloud computing? Is it the delivery computing services over internet or the delivery of storage services over internet? The third option will be delivery of websites accessible via the internet. As we have seen in the first chapter, this will be the delivery of computing services, like this will be including the servers, storage, analytics, networking, everything included and accessible over the internet. For the second question, which cloud module uses some data centers focused on providing cloud services to anyone that wants them, and some data centers that are focused on a single customer? So for this question, the two keywords here are services to anyone and single customer. So we are mixing up two cloud modules, and then we are talking about the hybrid cloud module. Thank you for joining me in this session of AZ-900 training series. Be sure to check out the next video where we will be describing the cloud benefits. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, and feel free to ask me any question in the comment section below. Until next time, happy learning and take care. Bye bye.